Restore to the rescue. Okay, so, yeah. It doesn't look like much, so maybe I should call this Restore in need of rescue. But here's the thing. It doesn't look like much, but I didn't pay very much. $1. And I know, my husband looked at it and was like, what were you thinking? That's $1 too much. But I know what I'm thinking. I'm thinking there's real wood under here. And I'm thinking this is a cute shape for a mirror, so why not? Okay, let's get back. Ooh, 1995, huh?
It's not new.
No,
Let's get some tools for that. This starts out so promising.
That's what she said.
It's your fault.
You did it to yourself.
There are things I really regret, and so far, so good, but they're coming. Okay, that was in a time lapse. This has been taking way too long. Got an idea. Try something else.
Aren't you gonna wear gloves?
So you get the idea. This is going to take a while. Tried using some mineral spirits to get the residual off. Not happening. So now we're going with classic WD-40. It's working, but it's not going very quickly.
Notice you're getting a little frustrated over here.
Okay, so the WD-40 needs to sit a little bit longer than what I just showed you. I'm gonna give it some more time.
Here's where it all started to go wrong.
Okay, it's hard to tell, but I have to be honest. I wasn't very careful when I decided to sand this, and you can see I got a little bit of a scratch from the sander on the glass. But otherwise, it could be as is. I don't trust staining this because while I think I got all the glue off, every now and then I'm like, oh, that's glue. Glue does not take stain well. So, and see if that'll fly, because I think that'd be great. And if it doesn't, just a solid paint.
You have bigger problems.
Hey, we got it. We see what you're doing.
Speed things along.
And then a short time later...
Okay, let's pretend it's been about 2 minutes. It hasn't.
Why on earth would she do that?
So it's safe to say that patience isn't my virtue. Yeah, if I had waited the proper amount of time, this might be a more even coat of black with just a hint of the wood grain coming through instead of whatever I have here.
You just can't help yourself, can you?
You live and you don't learn.
And then it got worse.
Now, to make things even worse, I'm gonna try stenciling. And I have never had success with stenciling.
She'll do it. I'm sure she'll still do it.
Why? Why would she still do it?
Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. This is what I'm gonna use as my,
Paint.
thing.
Paint.
I have sucked at stenciling every time I try
But
it.
Marjorie, she couldn't resist.
So, here goes again. But, they keep telling me that I'm putting too much on the brush. So, this time, I'm gonna use a napkin. Prancy, 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 prancy. Time lapse. Not bad. Not good. But gonna keep going.
15 minutes later.
And with hindsight, I realize I should have let the paint dry. So what happens when you put on your top coat before your base coat has thoroughly dried? It comes off. But because I was going for an aged antique look anyway, I'm leaving it.
Right.
Okay. Ta-da! Oh, I hate it. I really don't like it. But here's the thing though, is it shows potential. This was a $1 mirror, and the heat gun, that was a good thing to get off the sticky stuff. It took too long for me, so I didn't do a very great job at that. That's my bad. Other things I did that are super stupid and shouldn't be repeated was way at the top there. Those are scratches from my sander. Yeah. If I just taped that off, it would have been fine. Other than that, okay, so stencils, I still hate them. Don't get me wrong. I like them when other people do. That's why I keep trying to do it. But right now, it's just the bane of my existence.
Seriously?
So that got me angry. So then when it came time to just do the top coat, I really wasn't waiting for anything to dry. I'm just like, I'm slapping it on here. And yeah, that's why it's all smudgy in places, because it's not thoroughly dry.
That's good.
So, still don't hate it, but don't be surprised if you ever come to my home and you basically see this just all black, because yeah, not good.
Hi, Papa. What do I have for you today? Yeah? Yeah? Can you sit? Come and sit. Sit. Good boy. Hi, Bep. You want a bubbery too? You want a bubbery? Oh my gosh, Bayou's gonna steal it from you. Oh my goodness. Alright, Bayou, go away. Go away. Alright, here's the bubbery. I don't even think she likes it, bro.